Okay. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Look at the pep in that one. He's got some pep, don't he? All right. Kid's saying, watch this. So this ought to be a good one. If it's him that's saying it, or somebody behind me. Look at that. All right, he down the full pull. We're going to fix this. Ooh, he's going to get another 5 pounds. All right, let's see how he does with another 5. And we want to make sure he has a hard time. All right, so that'll make it, what, 15 pounds? Where is he? Back her up there, buddy. Sometimes these things go so fast, it's hard to stay caught up. Ooh, look at that one. Wow. That's quite a bit of little weight for the little fella. Let's see how this goes. Okay, let her rip, it says. All right, nothing for him. Made the full pull, even with the extra 5 pounds. He's got power.
I'll shut it out. I'll pull mine out. I'll shut it down.
Okay, go park yourself. Oh, he's gonna go again. Oh, they found more weights to give him more. Isn't that funny? Find out how many weights. Now it's holding him back. Oops, that's as far as he goes. All right, now they know his weight power on the gravel like this, where they really can sink right in. It's like a desert. All right. Okay, time to park there, buddy. All right. Spitting in and spotting. Oh, put his tire off. He wanted to keep going. Wild horse. He wants to keep going. Shut him right down. All right, stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.